Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with you Samsung S8 back door and a battery replacement. We can start. Put the back door a little open, one blade inside little bit. You want to repair your own responsible, your own risk. We want to apply some hot air gun hot backside of the back door. You give heat little bit because you want to remove back door of S8 Samsung mobile. Little bit you want to heat. When heat it, little move the blade back door corner. Put a card, in card, corner of the back door. You can see the video sign. Be careful, back door will broken. You can see the video same. You want to move the card. Don't put inside card, only move all corners like this. When you move all corners, you can insert the card carefully because inside back door there is a wireless charging pad. When move, you can remove the back door and back door glue double tap also remove. Remove all screws. When you remove the back door, the finger sensor also came with back door. Remove the wireless charging pad. Be careful. Remove the battery. When you remove the battery, you want to care because backside the battery there is some glue. Be careful when you remove the battery. I think this mobile before battery remove, that's why coming fast. When you remove battery first time, you want to care because inside the backside the battery there is glue. When you fix back, you can apply double tap back side of the battery. You can see the new battery. Now we are fixing new battery. Connect the connector to battery. If you have disturbed the ringer pad, you can remove ringer pad also. We can check the mobile, power on the mobile. Touch the mobile screen. Power off the mobile. Put it back the ringer pad carefully. Put it back wireless charging pad. When you connect the ringer pad and the wireless charging pad, careful. Tight all screws. Connect the finger scanner. Apply backdoor fixing glue. All corners. Back side of the mobile, you want to apply glue all corners. Fix the back door correctly, and you want to keep 1 hour, 2 hours for drying the glue.